I'm Rob Anderson at the Eiffel Tower Restaurant tonight, and I'm here with, I didn't even meet you guys yet. What's your name?
Justin.
Justin, I'm Rob.
Nice to
and
meet you.
you are?
Cece.
Cece? So good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We're going to do a little bit of magic for them tonight because it is date night for you too, I'm imagining. It looks like it. That's good.
really
That's
is.
good. I have romantic magic. Otherwise, it's awkward magic. Otherwise. I'm going to lay a few cards on the table. We're going to get back to these in a few minutes. But first, though, we're going to do another little thing. And I wanted to ask you, how long have you been together?
This is actually our 8-year anniversary right here.
I thought you were about to say like 8th date. I was like, oh, this is it's early. All right. That is, well, congratulations on that. Almost a decade together.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You guys went on some of your first dates about 8 years ago and learned you liked each other and held hands and all that good stuff.
That's right.
I would like to take you back to early in the relationship with our very first trick. All right, you're going to hold hands in a second.
Okay.
Justin, I'm going to hand you a card. Justin, right?
Justin,
I'm going to hand you a card. You're going to hold one hand like this while I hand you the 2 of clubs. Cece, right?
Yes.
Cece, you're going to put your hand on top of Justin's with the 2 in it, kind of holding his hand.
Okay.
Just like that. I've got another card we're going to use for this, and I think it's a better card for you to have. It's the hearts, okay?
Oh.
You should have the heart, not me. You felt some magic on your first dates. Did you feel that? Yes? Did you feel that?
Yeah?
Yes?
Yeah.
Did you feel that?
Get out of here.
No way.
Look.
No.
Yes.
That was awesome.
You're in love. It's a great card for you guys to have. You're in love. Thank you. Well, thank you so much. You dated for a little while after those first dates, realized you liked each other, and you eventually started calling each other fun little pet names, right? Like, I'm not going to ask, like baby, sweetheart. I don't need specifics. Some cultures, they call each other like king and queen, and I don't think you guys call each other king and queen. But tonight, Justin, you are here with this beautiful lady.
Oh, yes.
This beautiful restaurant, beautiful view. You should feel like a king.
I do.
That's good. This trick is all about you. I just want you to go ahead and pick any card out of there. Anyone at all, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Just go ahead and show the camera, show CC, don't show me. I've seen the trick before. And then just say stop anywhere you want.
Stop.
Right there, put it back on top. Look, I don't know what your card is. I don't know where it is. I know it's somewhere near the middle. Imagine this. If I could reach in here, take out one card, turn it upside down, put it back in. That means there's one. Yes. Again, that's what she said. She said it the first time. Didn't you learn the first time?
I'm so skeptical.
You remember the card, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's one upside down card in the
Yeah.
deck. That card that's upside down is the 5 of diamonds.
That wasn't it.
No, for real this time.
I'm like, wait, what?
It was
Whoops.
That wasn't it.
It was a 5.
Shh, don't tell me. I'm gonna get it. Hold on, 5's just an indicator card. Indicates that I was wrong. Very wrong. Messed up the trick. It also indicates if we go down, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. We hopefully. There's the other.
I'm so glad you got it.
That's not the cool part. Thank you. That's not the cool part. The cool part is I said this trick was all about you, our king. These 4 cards all represent Justin, our king.
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you so
that's
much.
perfect.
Thank you. And that's going to bring us to the queen,
Oh,
Cece.
Get to the good part.
She likes that.
I
Cece.
do.
Cece, there's 4 cards laying in the middle of the table. I haven't touched them. None of us are going to touch them. In fact, they've been laying there the whole time.
Yeah.
I just want you to imagine these because I did something special with them earlier. I'm committed to that because, again, I won't touch them and they've been laying there for the whole performance. It's a 2-part trick. It has to do with your compatibility as a couple. Again, I've told you they're queens. Justin chose to get rid of 2 of those cards, the black ones. We're going to get rid of one more, either the heart or the diamond. I'll make it easy on you. Which one do you want to leave on the table, the heart or the diamond?
The heart.
The hearts over the diamonds.
Yeah.
Love over money. Nothing funny in my sleeves, no funny moves. I predicted one card before we started this. I predicted you would work together and you would end up wanting the queen of hearts. That's why
Oh my God.
they liked it too. See? Thank you. That was.
So
Thank you from a totally different deck of cards.
Wow.
I knew you'd be very compatible.
Oh, you're amazing.
Thank you. I didn't bring any other cards at all. It's all I brought was the queen of hearts.
Here.
Oh, you get out of here. You guys are done. Get on out. Just kidding.
Oh,
Just kidding.
that's so
Thank you.
great.
Thank you.
you.
Well, before I do my grand finale, one little trick and then my grand finale, okay?
Okay.
I want you guys to think of some happy memories you've shared. Sometimes when people are bonded over special happy memories, it's like they develop like a sixth sense. It was just a card trick, folks. It was just It's just a card. It was very good. I admit. Okay.
Everybody likes it.
Thank you. Sometimes when people are bonded over these happy memories, it's like sometimes they develop a sixth sense where one person feels something and the other person knows about it. Maybe you have that.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we're gonna bring that out really quick tonight.
All right, let's do it.
Now, I'm not going to ask what this was or try to guess this, but look in each other's eyes and think about a time you felt happy with the other person. Just think about those happy feelings. Oh, you guys are in love. I love it. Justin, I keep forgetting, it's Cece and Justin.
Yeah.
Justin, I'm going to ask you to just close your eyes for just a second. Trust me here, Cece, your eyes are going to stay open. While you're thinking of these happy memories, we're going to transfer a little bit of energy from where Justin's at right here to over here where Cece's at. And that is as weird as it gets, I promise. We're going to do it one more time. Justin, eyes closed. We're going to take some happy energy from here. We're going to drop it right here, paying attention to everything you hear and feel, dropping it right there. We're going to do this. Justin, open up. I want you to be honest. While your eyes were closed, you didn't peek, right?
Nope.
Did you feel anything touch you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Did I touch him?
No, you touched me.
Where?
That's exactly where I felt it. That's crazy.
You touched me on my nose. You
Just
felt
lightly,
it.
touch me?
just lightly, just ever so lightly. You felt a
you
light
just
little.
Yeah, I felt it right there.
I don't know what the memory was, but I think we've got a sixth sense here. You guys should later
Never
on.
touched you.
Later on.
I'm gonna watch this on.
Watch the video. Later on, you guys should share that with each other, whatever the memory was, because it's obviously a special memory for you guys. Later on, when you leave here. Let's do a grand finale. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. You guys have shared a lot of happy memories, given each other a lot of special gifts over the years. Maybe there's a gift you'd like to give tonight, right here, so you can celebrate with over dinner. Maybe there's a gift you'd like to receive from Justin tonight. Justin, I'm just going to make a little empty pouch right here, and I'm going to ask you, Cece, to think of something special you'd like to receive from Justin. Justin, think about something special you'd like to give. Go ahead and put your hand down on the empty pouch there. And that's empty, yes?
Yeah, there's nothing in there.
I want you to turn your palm up
Okay.
like this for me. And imagine, Cece, imagine something special. Justin, imagine something special. See it in front of your eyes and feel it starting to appear in your hand.
Okay.
Right now, you can feel it, yes?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Ready?
Okay.
Then in that case, I think you'll know what to do with that, Justin.
What is that? Wait, what is this? Are you serious? Is this real? Oh my god! Oh my god! I love you! What? Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't even think straight right now. I love you. Oh my god.